Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video I want to prepare soup, egusi soup with ogbono. Yes, so that is what I want to prepare now, and this is the dry fish that I want to use. So much love this dry fish because of the taste. The taste is always sweet like. So I'm going to use this dry fish, then meat, the ogbono, egusi, then the ogbono that I'm going to prepare. Yeah, and the ugu, then ugu here, the ugu leaf. I prefer slicing it by myself. I don't know what some women gain by slicing their own in the market. At the end of everything, they will slice rubbish and join. In fact, so I'm going to slice this one here. This is the ugu here, the crayfish. So we are going to start now. The meat. Also. I've added the meat.
I dey craze for you. They say I dey do like say I be fool, but I am a fool for you. Make it them the talk, let them get to their mouth. Anything you need in him, I go buy my money, now your money. Moo 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 moo, make them call me moo moo. I don't need sense to love, your love makes me a happy moo moo. I am a moo moo, make them call me moo moo. I don't need sense to love, your love makes me a happy moo moo. You dey do me bad, but I no care. Without your love, your sweet love, I go die. When we kiss, you touching me like this. Hey, Chima, you too sweet. I am your mumu. Make them call me mumu. I don't need sense to love. Your love makes me a happy mumu. Fool for love. Make them call me mumu. I don't need sense to love. Your love makes me a happy mumu. Make them call me mumu. I don't need sense to love. Your love makes me a happy mumu. Make them call me mumu. I don't need sense to love. Your love makes me a happy mumu. Make them call me mumu. I don't need sense to love. Your love makes me a happy mumu. Make them call me mumu. I don't need sense to love. Your love makes me a happy mumu.
abagatbag.com.
Oyibo man, I go chop your dollar. I go take your money disappear. 419.
Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment.